Yeah, my man, yeah, we can do that, yeah, why not? Hello guys, welcome to one more video today, and today we have this budget microphone, the best the money can buy. You can use it to live stream, or record, or to sing, everything you like. Let's check this out. Hello again guys, my name is Wilson, and today we're going to unbox this amazing microphone and see what we have inside. Let's Wilson box this and check this content. To unbox this I have my new knife. It's like a CSGO knife. It's pretty nice. Let's see if it cuts well. Looks like it cuts well. This brand is called Fine and brings some really nice features. And this knife also cuts really well. We have here a microphone, really fast unboxing. We have here our microphone. It's called Ampli Game A8, and from the box you can already see some features: multicolor RGB lighting, full voice and less noise, instant and easy to use because it's plug in and play, and anything else. We have 4 colors to choose. It's white, black, pink and blue. I choose the black color because it's the one that fits my game setup. From the back side we have some simplifications, features and function features, stable mic stand. Yeah, it comes with a pop filter, shock mount, headphone jack, Type-C port, tap to mute button, vivid RGB lighting, RGB button and volume control. Let's check what we have here inside this box. As I said, Fine, it's the brand. You have here the name. You can check it. Now let's unbox this and see what we have here. So it's the guide. Side. See, oh, it's well packed. It's well packed. Oh, this is the pop-up filter. Very nice. And this is a microphone. Looks pretty solid. Pretty nice. And what more inside? So we have the USB 3 to Type-C cable, and it's like that, or something, and nothing else. So let's connect this microphone and check these amazing features that comes with this budget microphone. So the mic is already connected, and we're gonna start talking about the features. So it has some RGB multi-lighting. It's really easy to use. You have this button here on the back side. You can choose from 3 modes: static solid color, dynamic color gradient, or dynamic solid color gradient. Let's check them out. So if you keep pressing, it turns on or off. It's on again. So this is the dynamic color gradient because it keeps changing colors. So on these modes it's static color, so it's always red, it's not changing colors. You can choose from which color you want. If you want red, yellow, green, another green, blue. You have a lot of modes you can choose between the colors you want, and you have the dynamic gradient mode where it keeps changing colors. Pretty nice feature. Another really amazing feature of this microphone, it's the real-time output sound. And we have here the connection on this side. It's here. So this means you can connect a 3.5mm headphone jack to here, allowing you to directly monitor the sound in real time without delay, or listen and record at the same time. This microphone has a Cardioid pattern around this part here on the front of the microphone, and it helps to capture your voice perfectly, optimizing the sound output. With this feature you can connect this microphone to your computer and it works smoothly. It also can be used to a live chat with your friends using Skype or any app like that. It has a quick mute button upside here, so you just touch it, it becomes red and it's pretty useful and pretty easy to use. And also you have a hidden volume dial, so you can adjust the volume you want back here, this dial here, and you can change how high you want your volume on your computer or another device you are using with this microphone, without having to use an external software to adjust the volume of the microphone. You have the metal pop filter, this one here, and easy to put, just insert it on this holes in here. That's it. And this metal pop filter helps to block our breathing when we are talking to the microphone and another noises like ripples or anything else besides your voice. So this way it helps to reduce annoying noises. I like the deep bass in your voice transmitting a clear message. As I said at the beginning, this microphone needs plug and play, so it's really easy to start using. You just need to plug to your device, like your desktop or anything where you are using this, and will starting to set up on the background. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, PS4 or PS5, and also if you want to connect it to your phone, you can use an adaptation like this, and it's pretty easy. It's this little thing, just need to connect to your Type-C connection, and you get a USB 3.0 connection, so you can connect this microphone. So this way you can connect it to an Android or Apple. You can find these adaptations in every tech website. About this one on AliExpress, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can check it out if you want one adaptation like this. It's really cheap, I think it was about £1 to £2. Also you can find the link below for this amazing microphone. It doesn't matter if you want to stream, sing or beatboxing, this microphone makes a really good job doing all of those things. The price for this microphone is about £30 to £40. You can find it on several tech devices also as the adaptation. I bought this one from AliExpress for £40. I'm gonna leave the link below. But there are another cheap ones, but I choose from a trustable vendor and not just the cheapest one was my choice, but you can go for the cheapest one. I found it for £25, but it didn't have so much reviews, so I went for this one. So with all of this, I hope you guys like this unboxing and review. If you have any question about this microphone, comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It's the best way to support my channel and improve my content and bring more devices like this. I wish a good day to everyone and see you next time.